Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 3.3 question number 10. Explain how this figure is a trapezium. Which of its two sides are parallel? From the figure you can find that angle L plus angle M is equal to angle L is 80 degree plus angle M is 100 degree. If we add this one, we are getting 180 degree. That is angle L plus angle M is equal to 180 degree. This is 180 degree. Now you see that in a parallelogram, the adjacent angles are supplementary. We know that in a parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Here we get that angle L plus angle M is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, we can say that NM is parallel to KL. That NM is parallel to KL. Right? Which of the two sides are parallel? Now, since in this figure, NM is parallel to KL. In this figure, NM is parallel to KL. Therefore, we can say that NMLK is a trapezium. Because we know that in a trapezium, one pair of lines are parallel. Because we know that in a trapezium, one pair of lines are parallel. One pair of lines are parallel. And here you have shown that NM is parallel to KL. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.